Hey guys, welcome to our channel How To Guide. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to get a subscribe button on Snapchat. But before we get to that, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one, and also hit the bell icon so you do not miss any more updates from us. So getting a subscribe button on Snapchat is very simple and easy, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's get started with the video. Let's open up the Snapchat app. So then what you'll do is you will click on your profile icon here, and then you'll go to settings first. And on settings, you'll make sure that on contact me, that you'll switch it from my friends to everyone. Send me notification from everyone, view my story, everyone, contact me, everyone. So make sure that's turned on, and then if you scroll here, you have this public profile option. So you click on create a new public profile, you click on continue, get started, and then you click on create. And if you open it, you click on edit profile, you'll create a bio, you can add a photo, and then if you click on preview profile here, you have this subscribe button. So that's if somebody is viewing your profile, you have this public profile which people can subscribe to. So, and you can even save a story to your profile and all that. You can do all of those things. So this is how you get a subscribe button on Snapchat, guys. It's very simple and easy. I hope this video was of help to you. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Please leave a like on this video if you liked it. Please subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.